Pallet 34B is clear for pickup.
Copy that. Moving now.
Utilizing advanced sensor technology, the machine identifies the precise cutting path, minimizing waste and maximizing yield.
The mechanized aerial separation machines use vibrating drums and paddles to efficiently separate.
The centrifugal force ensures that only the purest ruby liquid is extracted, leaving behind the heavy pulp and seeds.
look at the readings here. We're stabilizing the flow.
Good, the high demand equipment should be fine now.
The main goal for this shift is hitting the 95% efficiency mark shown here.
Please ensure all safety checks are logged before commencing work on the floor.
Excellent. You see how the adjustment affects the dispensing cycle. The flow rate is now perfectly within tolerance.
Route 45 is confirmed. The system shows green across the board. Maintain current speed for the optimized path.
Received motion alert, Sector 4. Dispatching unit for investigation. All other zones remain green.
All right, pull the next skid out of the trailer. Copy that, bringing it out now. Make sure it's scanned quickly. Higher on your side, Ben. Clear the bracket.
Confirmed. The alignment is spot on according to the specs.
The laser marker is drifting slightly off the calibration rail at this joint.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
We've traced the current shipment from arrival here through processing.
And the timeline confirms it reaches the retail freezers well within the freshness window.
The data clearly shows a downward trend in emissions, primarily due to the biogas units. We've exceeded our waste reduction targets ahead of schedule.
Based on the Q3 satellite imagery, the early bloom forecasts are exceeding expectations.
And how does that compare to the regional averages shown here?
Okay, slow push in on the macro.
Ready with the spoon.
And lift. Perfect texture right there.
See how the light catches that edge? It really makes the logo pop.
It's much cleaner than the previous revision.
Yeah.
Okay, rolling on the slow-mo pour.
Looks good. Exposure is perfect.